Do is that have Charles cut them down. What we'll do is we'll listen to several segments. The first one will be wide open exhaust, no mufflers, which will be excessively loud. May not be able to pass inspection, but that's okay. So that's one option. The second option we'll go to will be with the glass pack. We had a lot of luck with the glass packs in the beginning when we started testing these. And then we tried FlowMasters. We'll try MagnaFlow, and then ultimately the one we've had the best success with, our current success, is with the MagnaFlow bullet muffler. They fit in there nice. You'll see they're aesthetically appealing. They sound really good. They got a smooth tone. And then eventually, ultimately, we'll go to that plus the X pipe. We'll eliminate the resonator, put in an X pipe. So that's the step. The installation of the exhaust today was done by Charles Miller. Charles has worked here for quite a few years, and he's a very talented individual, very conscientious of welds, of distances, and all that. Charles is a top-notch muffler technician. Glass pack really probably should have been the loudest, and then the FlowMaster is just a different sound, but it's got a lot of interior drone. A lot of people like that. It's got an aggressive sound. I don't think you can really beat the FlowMaster sound, unless you're 18, 19, 20, somewhere right around there, maybe 40 as Charles is. But I've grown out of that. I want the MagnaFlow. It's got a good smooth tone to it, but it's the least restrictive in my opinion. So then we put those little round MagnaFlow, those bullet mufflers. To me, that still sounded the best out of all those options. So now what I want to do next actually is that we'll eliminate this resonator and listen to all those same scenarios with that.